Imagine having a YouTube channel that generates high-quality movie recaps without you ever having to lift a finger. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. With the power of AI, you can create an AI-powered movie recap channel that will engage your audience and grow your channel exponentially. In the world of YouTube, content is king. And when it comes to content that people love, movie recaps are at the top of the list. However, creating high-quality movie recaps can be time-consuming and expensive. That's where AI comes in. I can generate scripts, narrate videos, and even edit them together. In this video, I'll show you how to create your AI-powered movie recap channel. Today, I will show the secrets of creating a profitable movie recap channel that generates thousands of dollars in monthly earnings, much like movie recaps. If you check out Social Blade, you'll see that it's currently making close to $50,000 per month. If you're excited about starting a similar channel, you're lucky because we're here to guide you on kickstarting your own movie recap channel using AI. Let's dive right in. The first step is to create your YouTube channel and choose a good name. We'll use ChatGPT to help us brainstorm a cool name for our movie recap channel. How about a movie digest? That sounds perfect. Now proceed to your email and set up your YouTube channel. Your channel is all set up and ready to roll. Don't forget to personalize it, adjust the name to Movie Digest, and update the YouTube handle accordingly. Now let's ask ChatGPT to write a brief channel description and set a 1,000 character limit. Wonderful. We have our channel description ready. Simply copy and paste it into your YouTube channel's description section. In the second step, create a unique logo for your channel. We'll be using Canva, a special and free design tool. Go to Canva and search for YouTube logo. You'll discover a variety of options to choose from. Pick one that suits your style or create a custom design. Add movie-related stickers or elements and incorporate your channel name, Movie Digest. Once it's perfect, click on the Share option and download it as a PNG file. Your YouTube logo is now good to go. Now, upload your logo to your YouTube channel. You can also use this same logo as your video watermark. Now we need a channel banner also. The process is similar to creating a logo, but this time search for YouTube banner on Canva. You'll find various channel banner templates. Select one, customize it to your liking, and then share and download it as before. Once your channel banner is finalized, download it and upload it to your YouTube channel. There you have it. Your YouTube channel is fully set up with a fantastic name, a stunning logo, and an eye-catching banner. Now, you're ready to enter the main topic, creating content. Check out your favorite movie channels for inspiration. For example, look at this title, Death Row Inmates Forced to Fight Each Other for Freedom Inside a Virtual World. This movie is the Jurassic Games 2018. Now let's discuss the footage and how to find it. You could get movie footage by purchasing the necessary licenses or, as some channels do, through screen recording. However, we must note that screen recording copyrighted content may not be a legal option, and we do not endorse it. This is just one method used in creating movie recap videos. Once you have the footage, the next step is to create a script that contains all the important details of the movie's summary. You can prepare the script yourself, and we're all here to learn and improve. Now let's dive into creating a detailed movie summary script using AI and then transforming that script into a professional voiceover using another AI tool. Let's get started. To create a comprehensive movie summary script, we'll use the power of AI. Head over to ChatGPT, a powerful language model, and request it to write a script for the Jurassic Games 2018. As you can see, ChatGPT has provided us with a complete movie summary script. It's that clear. Moving on to the next step, let's transform our written script into a professional voiceover. We'll be using Wellsaid Labs, a free tool for AI voiceovers. Here are the simple steps to follow. A step-by-step guide to generating the best free text-to-speech voiceover from Wellsaid Labs. Sign up for a free trial of Wellsaid Labs Studio. Choose the voice avatar that you want to use for your voiceover. Type or paste your text into the Wellsaid Labs Studio editor. Use the editing tools to adjust the pronunciation, intonation, and pausing of your voiceover. Once you are happy with your voiceover, click the Generate button. Wellsaid Labs Studio will generate your voiceover as an MP3 file. You can download the MP3 file to your computer or use it directly in your project. And there you go. Thanks to the magic of AI, we simply generated a comprehensive movie summary script and transformed it into a polished voiceover using Wellsaid Labs. Now you can start preparing outstanding movie recap videos with AI's assistance. In the final stages of our guide, we'll illustrate how to convert your detailed movie summary script into a professional video using CapCut software, add background music, and optimize it for YouTube. Let's dive in. To create a professional video, we'll rely on CapCut software. During the editing process, it's important to mute all the footage you've acquired or recorded. Crop out any logos if they're present. Hide subtitles if they're visible. Divide the footage into brief clips, ideally 5 to 6 seconds each to avoid copyright issues. Compile these clips and finalize your video. Now enhance your video with some background music. Head to the YouTube library and search for music relevant to the movie niche. Listen to a few tracks and select one that suits your video. Download it and use it in your video. Now it's time to export it and allow some time for processing. Then directly upload the video to YouTube and perform the necessary SEO. Next, we'll focus on optimizing your video for YouTube. Begin by add an exciting title that effectively describes your video. Write a detailed video description. You can ask ChatGPT to assist in generating one complete with hashtags for enhanced discoverability. In the tags section, include relevant keywords related to your video content. For additional tags, visit the Rapid Tags website. Enter your video title, generate tags, and use the suggested tags for improved visibility. You'll find many tags generated. Simply click the copy button and paste them into the tags section. An eye-catching thumbnail can make all the difference. Return to Canva and look for YouTube thumbnail. Choose a template or start with a blank canvas. Add an attractive, brief title or add an appealing image from Google. Download your thumbnail. The moment of truth has arrived. Simply publish your video on YouTube and watch the results. With all the steps we've covered, you're on your way to creating remarkable movie recap videos alone. And that's a wrap. You've learned how to create a script with AI, generate a voiceover, edit your video, add background music, optimize it for YouTube, design a compelling thumbnail, and publish your creation. We hope you're now equipped to produce fantastic movie recap videos. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial on creating your AI-powered movie recap channel. We trust that you found it informative and beneficial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos on AI and filmmaking. Don't forget to click the notification bell icon to receive alerts when we release new content.